gikaro cy'umugusi twesemye ke gusina k'ebintu byare na k'ebintu bire
twari tariki ejideke 15 cia mugaso
tunde baba ngai tenga kiritonge moiwe
Kiremambia jama tuku wiki guchakira Jumatatu goika Ijuma Chinsa Ikomi cha mambia goika Chinsa Isato Amayia Ndizi TV
Kuna botambe toko chakeli ili tukuliao ase ogwansu tumede na manga korakanire kuri tukuli goro no tukobogima kunde bone mambia ni goto kwarigania ase morobiri ogwe ensaki umete sara no mete ensaki
Enzakia
umete na mugasogete umete mambia ewa no mada tena kiti ganda soki gero isiko
nda nyenzaki
na nenzaki umete ne bwate vitamini
nebwate
ona entwe mwanjo muriga rintura gotika maiga imana tuno to kwa vitamini gete vitamin D
Murubiri no yo mubuka uguchakia na kurosali tukuliao asenjiri ndunge kima Enzakia ya Ndizi TV asugo kumanya iguru yamangana siasa aliatekire obochenu chisemi richiko na boigo iguru yamangana yigenka
karawe ikiwe sherabneri ya committee maximum prison egitire iga imineti igota keirobenye mali bakokore egesibo kiao kirigwa spiritu asejereyo
umirana na Sara Ontita na Brighton Makuri
emitandao Facebook ni otonyora Ndizi TV News na sensemo ya YouTube ni otonyora Ndizi TV News na sensemeli ya Twitter na bogoto tweet ase @Ndizi TV News inadhina tokonyora uchumbe yao asenjira yobotirana
baigona bagotonyora gwetera asenjira ye SMS osabali mogotorora kurwa sinsemo chama chengumbwana osesimole tokoroka diaspora amagotonyora gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke
utarasoka ku nyumba mwao ni mambia yao nigera unchurie Amayia Ndizi TV Sabaria yichi kilomita chinyinge ni yego chaka nekerengerelio kyo gikubikira umukia yaunchuka nakoba obunchoreria obubokorekana asumurubiryo bwesabaria yobonchoreria nigo tukwemanya amanke igoro yogo chako bonchoreria koremereria na buigo kumanya ebitango bige biraroro boigo nigo tukwirira igoro yabaria baikiranire neganka yabo yobokoro bonchoreria bwibirenko bigoro
Mwancho mulina kwaria ririme yo murubiri bwe sabari yo bonchiri yo murubiri kwa yetu na inche Ndemo Steven
umerena na Steven Ndemo kirarituko rya lamisi enseye muninsu ya Maragoba na boigo mwiroro ritukure Jumatatu Chinsa Ikomi n'ikidegeka 15 cia mugaso Amayia Ndizi TV
bengi omwanchu muligereria Ndizi TV ekeronko kwaregania na ende asemesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chabana mogoroba na mange na kwareganirie gati yabo ari guchikonyora asense yamo yabona mogoroba igoto sukare gendra gotubote wetera senchera ya Facebook tonyore buna Ndizi TV News na Twitter tonyore @Ndizi TV News na boigo YouTube na otogoto kabuna Ndizi TV News to sukare asengencha segeke kekiribosyo nkuira nande nkumanyinga narali atekire ime na isiko ya gusi. Na kwareganire kegima nchini gonkor kwa Sara Nyarange Ontita ekaroto guchaka asense ito ya Kenya bono nigo ebinyinyi bye COVID-19 gose endwali yende manyekanite buna Omicron yanyorekanire imeyense ya ito ya Kenya amangana aenekiwe no mawaziri bw'obachenu mutahikawe abwasa abantu batatu banyorekanire nebinyinyi byo ebiya kabisa imeyense ya ito ya Kenya tiango toigwe buna omwaziri ari okwana asumugasobono
through Kenya, and we have at least 3 cases so far. We have a lot of other samples that we are sequencing. So in the next 2 days, I will be able to confirm the spread or otherwise of the Omicron variant in the country. As I had said earlier, what we are hearing and what the information we are getting from other countries across the world are that the variant spreads very, very, very quickly, very fast. The effect of the spread is that if one has been vaccinated, the level of attack is a lot less and the need for hospitalization is limited. So if one has been vaccinated, they are getting chills, a bit of headaches and so on. But so far, what we have seen ourselves and what we have heard from our colleagues from South Africa and elsewhere is that the level of hospitalization is less than the Delta variant that we had some time back. So far, the hospitalization cases that we have in our country are still Delta. We have not detected any Omicron variants in our hospitals. But of course, as I said, we are carrying out sequencing in all our laboratories so that we are able to give Kenyans a better picture of where we stand as far as the Omicron variant is concerned. It is clear, however, that moving forward, the Omicron variant is likely to be the dominant variant, not just in our country, but across the world. And we are happy that the management of the variant globally is now being handled in a better way. We have heard that some countries that, for example, had closed and locked out people traveling from some countries have been removed from the red lists, and that's a good plan because the way to manage the virus is to ensure that we keep away the virus, but not necessarily keep away people. This variant is there with us. It is going to spread. There is no question about it. And it's a question of us preparing ourselves. We have urged that through the COG that all counties begin serious preparation for any eventuality. We have also urged that Kenyans get vaccinated. This is no time to debate. This is no time to start hesitating when it comes to getting vaccinated. The statistics are clear. In the countries that have got a widespread Omicron variant, it is clear that if you have been vaccinated, you are much better off than if you have not been vaccinated. If you have not been vaccinated, what you are threatening is your livelihood. So our, as a government, what we are saying is that let's everybody get out there and get vaccinated. And we have asked the county governments to wrap up capabilities and preparations for that and for
Mwanchu muligerere bano ebyo ne binyinyi bya Omicron byanyariko bigwateka sense ito ya Kenya na igonere bya tubwate amachiko yo wizara y'obachenu asokonyore chanje yo elio gotanga gosiko guchimo twechinga kichiskuru chigo chagosie kwa ewiki egocha bano niga baiboli baboliwe ko ena kiabuna abana babongo twara bare chimbo chingiya asokorokererwa amorokererio abene abo boigo baboliwe buna nigo bagwenerete kubaikange na kumanya emichando abarokiwa bagwetera elio kutanga ebinte bingi besa gucha gokorekana ase omeyegeyega eri mutwe tetonyora roboti oru asenjera yoboikerano
bono asengencho eruse yego chikoba erenyenge na abana banyigari nyererete mono enataka gotebya baiboli abana buna bagocha mo bapoke buya na intunko batuma tole buya kurwe school morigereri chi report form cyabo mororenga ibakora buya morora sobo kongubule mugambe na abana sobwagare mechando kibabwate na inde na kitura bwatira ne mechande yo egere school chiko igorwa omoiboli nabo gocha ororo mwalimu okogende se school omwana osoma ororo mwalimu mugambe emechando ya y'omwana nainde mulenda abana esuguku nabo moko bakelimo bwate moko inyoranga chiskuru nchise chigoru mobalende mosemani onyatalinga kieko benke abana mbaga chire chisemina chiruse chibaro kiwa mangana
Hekaro tutigarite asa mangana ya borokiwa imeye kaunti ya Nakuru ebyombe ao nigo biesokirie elio gukora emechando y'abana banyaruka gutwara osukumukia marito amapema abwase batebire ekubabetereria aborokiwa bange gutiga chiskuru egento gekubabera akongu ase amagimabo.
Okay, jina langu ni Alice Wanyonyi, nasimamia idara ya huduma kwa watoto hapa Nakuru. Kwa sababu shule ziko zinafunga. Na hapo nyuma wakati watoto wamekuwa likizo ndefu tuliambiwa na tuliona kwamba watoto wengi waliweza kupata mimba. Watoto hawa ni wa shule. Watoto hawa wanatakana ulinzi. Na ulinzi huo utoke kwa mzazi ama yule ambaye amekaa na mtoto. Kwa sababu visa ambazo tulikuwa tunaelezewa ni kwamba mtoto ameenda kutembelea shangazi yake. Na kwa shangazi yake kuna vijana, kuna wasichana. So mtoto anaachiliwa anaenda kukaa kwa nyumba ya vijana wenzake. Na kumbe huko ndiye alikuwa anapata hizo mimba. Kwa hivyo tunawaomba wazazi, tafadhali mkuwe makini na hawa watoto wanapokuja kwa likizo.
Kwa majina ni Cosmas Mutua. Mimi ni katibu Nakuru County Reproductive Health Network. Na leo tumekuwa na hafla ya kuleta memorandum. Tunajua kwamba mambo ya mimba za utotoni zimeongezeka na maambukizi ya HIV among teenagers, ambapo tunaambiwa zaidi ya 18%. Takwimu zinaonyesha kwamba wasichana wetu wanapata mimba wakiwa wadogo, na lazima tushikane kama jamii. Hatuwezi kunyamaza wakati hali ilivyo sasa.
Kwa majina naitwa Evelyn Werimo kutoka shirika linaitwa Okta. When we look at teenage pregnancies, we must agree that it's the girl who bears the burden of teenage pregnancy. And we need our government to formulate and implement policies that protect the girl child. When these cases are taken to court, the girls, the perpetrators, regardless of their age, should be punished in accordance to the law. And the girls should be given opportunity to grow and opportunity to pursue opportunities.
No Moraiwense Uhuru Kenyatta nigachakia omoroboli bwokubagachira abanyanyimbo ba KDF Chinyomba ekyate babali nekerenga goika emyaka erebosyo nigo bagocha kubagachira abanyanyimbo bonsi Kenya ngima elikwana kyabunangu chikomenya bale amo nechi familia cyabo egentokera abayirere okora emirimo yabo asenchira yoboikeranu.
Siku ya leo ni siku ya furaha. Ni siku ya furaha kwa sababu tumeona mwanzo wa safari ambaye tumeitegemea kwa muda mrefu. Kwa muda mrefu tumejua ya kwamba tuko na shida ama ukosefu wa nyumba kama ofisa wetu na askari wa jeshi, na tumekuwa tukitafuta mbinu mbalimbali ambazo tunaweza tuzitumie kuhakikisha ya kwamba tumeweza kutosheleza hiyo shortage ya nyumba kwa KDF. Na ndipo tukakuja tukapata hii nafasi ya kukubaliana ya kwamba tunaweza kufanya PPP program ya kwanza katika jeshi na ya kwanza hata kwa wizara nyingi.
Omo governor we county ya West Pokot John Lonyangapuo nigamwa chire chisegi chanyartko bachiwateka abwigoro abwasa abantu batano batigarete bakwete igoro yeli bebe lya West Pokot ne county ya Elgeyo Marakwet. Wano mo governor yo nigaganirie omo waziri bobolendi bwaime Dr. Fred Matiang'i kwana kyabuna obolendi bwaikirani we ase ensemeyo.
Bunduki 5 na watu 5. Kila mmoja armed to the teeth ndani ya Kenya, katikati ya nchi ya Kenya. Sio askari, sio KPR, sio mtu ya army, not any license officer, not license officer. Bunduki 5 kupatikana kwa village moja, at a corner of a village. 5 is very abnormal. Inamaanisha karibu kila mtu mwenye anaishi hiyo area ako na bunduki. Bunduki 5 ni kama nguo, ama mtu anavaa kofia kama vile ninavaa. Everybody is normal with it. Nataka ni ulize serikali kiongozwa na CS Matiangi, tulikubaliana na wewe ufanye operation yote, toa bunduki kwa kila mtu raia ya Kenya. Rudisha vitu yenu mali inatakana iwe. I am condemning with the strongest term possible. Serikali kani inakubali bunduki iende kwa mkono ya raia? Hiyo ni swali lazima mtu ajibu.
Mbona hawezi rudi huko sababu ashajua ni yeye, sababu hata ifenifa saa hiyo alisema kama mmeshapiga mpiga kufe. But hali Mungu ndio alisaidia. Hata huyu saa hii kama amepona hivi, akipona tu ni kama hawezi rudi huko.
Ne bunge imeyense Amerika gekoragwa no mokonyi bwo munyakerogo nigaira libagalia bene asoko babolia abachumbe imeyense meyo kuira libagalia bene kubainyora na korwa esiko asa abantu basireti bogima korwa sebinyinyi byoborore bwa COVID-19 abantu bakwete bali gwetania chiribu amagana 53 bunesiko wocha asebale.
The chair asks all members in the chamber, as well as members and staff throughout the Capitol, to rise for a moment of silence in remembrance of the 800,000 Americans who have passed away from COVID-19 virus. Let us pray that they rest in peace.
Mwanchu muligereria ayunga tiaria togendrete gukwareganeria uchiko ya nyora senchera yobuikera nuchigo chokoraga ensa eyemo ya bono butuko noyo minto Vincent Onyancha mbiamono gwachora Ndizi TV nero bwansu bwomogusi nigonkwiraneria mbiamono gochasomo director ne Petronila Mokeira bakubwaterana no mwareganio ne bwamagana ya Amayia Janet Nyamwamu nche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita Baraza.